Hey, welcome to this lecture on tables. So in this lecture, I'll be demonstrating how we go about tabulating information in HTML. So for example, let's just say we have a table which will consist of fruit. Right, so we're just going to look at we're going to list each individual fruit and then the color of that fruit. So for example, here I could just say fruit. It's a subheading. And now, in order to declare a table, we have to go table, use the table tag like so. And then to declare a new row, we have to go tr, and then we have to close the tr. So to have a header or a table header, right, or a column, in other words, we just go th and we go th. So this will be table header, and our attribute here will be fruit. Then we're just going to add another table header here. Table header. And in this case, we're just going to say color using British spelling. Okay. And then let's just start with our first fruit. So we just go to the next row, tr, like so. And instead of using table header, we're going to use table data or TD. Basically, table header causes this header here to be emboldened. Right? So this is at the top or the top row. So table data. And let's just say we have orange, or let's just say we have banana. And let's go to the next column. What's the color of a banana? Well, it's yellow. Excuse me. And we just come here and we go yellow. So that's it. So now we've made our table. Let's just see how it looks here. Excuse me. Okay, there you go. So table header here is emboldened because we have our th here. Emboldened. And then we have our table data, banana yellow. New row is tr, so it will go to the next row. So if I add another tr, it will go to the next row. And td just basically means the first column. The next td will be the second column, namely yellow. The problem with our table is there are no borders. So how do we go about adding borders here? We can just use something called the border property. There are certainly nicer ways to do this with CSS, cascading style sheets, which will be part 2 of this course. So let's just set our border to 1. And let's refresh now. There we go. Now we have nice borders here. So fruit and then color, which is our table header, then banana yellow, so forth and so on. So we can just copy this here to add more rows. Let's copy this here. We have a new row tr. Now we can add a new fruit table data. So let's just say we added orange, and colors in orange. Well, it's typically orange. It can be green, but it's typically orange. And proceeding further here, let's just add another row. Let's just say our row this time is grapes. And grapes can be green or purple. Green or purple. Purple like so. And let's just add final row. Let's just say we have apples. Apple. And apple can be green or red. Let's just say. Right? So we have a new row, new column, which corresponds to this column. New column, green, which corresponds to the color here. And these are table data. They're enclosed by table data tags here. And that's basically just a new row, as was already mentioned. So let's just take a look at the final product. And there you go. So it's really that simple to make tables. You can certainly add another row if you wanted to. I mean, another column if you wanted to, so forth and so on.